lang ako, aking simpay, walang humpay na ligaya. At asahang ibigin ka sa tanghali't sa gabi at umaga. Huwag ka sanang magtanong at magduda, dahil ang puso ko'y walang pangamba. Lahat tayo'y mabubuhay ng tahimik at buo.
Alright, welcome ladies and gentlemen to another brand new episode of Sports 360. Ang inyong tahanan sa lahat ng bagong balita sa mundo ng sports. Ako po si Aaron Atayde, of course, with Miss Erica Padilla.
Eh syempre, tama yung saktong-sakto yung kanta natin. Walang humpay na ligaya. Dito lang yan sa Sports 360 dahil ang dami na naman nating guest ngayong linggo.
At syempre, ang bago natin kasama for today, Coach Javi Nunez!
Hello, salamat.
First thing with energy, no?
Masaya pala dito, masaya.
Masaya.
Ayan.
At syempre, makikilala din natin ngayon ang ating mga iba pang guests that will be joining us for this evening show. And joining us, once again, ang nagbabalik na Miss Carmela Tunay.
Talaga namang it's good to be back dito sa Sports 360 at maliban sa akin, meron din nagbabalik na guest analyst na si Coach Richard.
Welcome kayo lahat.
At syempre din magpapahuli sa seksihan ng mga PSL Beach Volley players natin na sila Eileen Abuel at sila Giselle Wenchu. At bago tayo magtapos dyan, kilalanin pa natin ang ibang guests kasama sila Papi Ramon and Jojo the Love Survivor.
Papi Jojo, ano yan?
Papi Ramon, itong tinatawag na galawang blissy.
Nakaganon, parang nakamoy ng mabaho eh.
Pops, isa yung style ko ngayon. For the first time ng Philippine Television, may segment ako mamaya sa PSL Beach Volleyball.
Nakaganon?
Oo, Papi.
Wow, yun na!
Yun na.
And speaking of yun na, makakasama natin ngayon ang bandang Fiona! Back to you guys for our game story.
Simulan natin ng Monday! English comedian na si Simon Brodkin hinagisa ng pera ng ang FIFA president na si Sepp Blatter.
Monday also, NBA Summer League MVP si Kyle Anderson ng San Antonio Spurs. No Monday din, bumukas na rin ang House of Rise led by Indiana Pacer Paul George.
Girl power!
Girl power!
Coach Becky Hammond dinala sa championship ang San Antonio Spurs for the NBA Summer League.
Shaquille O'Neal versus Scottie Pippen on Instagram. Sobrang laugh trip nito. Grabe nung Tuesday.
Fear the Beer, James Harden tinuring na MVP ng kanyang mga colleagues sa NBA Players Awards.
From Fear the Beard to Fear the Beer. Grand Slam naman ang hinihingi ni Ramon Ang dun sa celebration ng San Miguel Beermen.
At ng Thursday, it's official. Coach Tim Cone is now the head coach of Barangay Ginebra and Coach Jason Webb for the Star Hotshots.
Mark Cruz and Letran defeat Perpetual, help 79-71.
Eto, Tony Parker, kinalaban ang isang tigre. Totoo po yan. Naganap po yan.
As in, lumaban talaga
Lumaban
sila.
sila.
Friday, end of Hulkamania as Hulk Hogan and the WWE have cut ties.
Dear Charo, Love, Gretchen, talagang pagmamahalan dahil nauwi nila ang kampyonato sa PSL Beach Volley.
Talagang mahal namin silang
Oo, tama.
Siyempre. At one more thing that we would like to announce, ang Ceres Lasal of the UFL made a splash in the Division 1 debut after taking home the United Football League title at the Rizal Memorial Stadium. The Bacolod City-based Ceres team, composed of former and current national team players, as well as a couple of imports, thrashed Team Socceroos 6-0 on Saturday to formally hoist the trophy. And from there, nabalitaan na natin ang lahat ng nangyayari sa mundo ng sports. But now it's time for our Pick of the Week!
Pick of the Week!
Pick of the Week!
Ano nga ba ang pinakamainit na kaganapan na naganap nitong last week?
Siyempre, walang iba dyan kundi ang naming of Coach Tim Cone as the brand new head coach of Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. And with him goes with Tim Cone, is free throw specialist.
Yan.
So, Richard Del Rosario! Kaya kasama natin siya ngayon to talk more about this big move. And Coach, let's discuss how are your thoughts moving on over.
Well, gulat pa rin.
Gulat pa rin.
Oo, gulat pa rin, no? Pero ganun talaga eh. Professional basketball, that's the business, no? So, you go where you're needed. So, bunta muna kami ni Coach Tim Cone sa Barangay Ginebra, nabit-bit ako. So, starting this season, never say die.
Ang unang tanong siguro, Coach Richard, is what will be step one for the changes in, of your style, management, the application of the triangle? Ano ang unang gagawin ninyo ni Coach Tim sa Barangay Ginebra?
Well, siyempre, kailangan yung first practice is going to talk to the players, no? and make them realize kung ano ba yung goal niya for the team and ano yung mga plano niyang gawin. Ang maganda lang dito, no, we have a very long off-season, so maraming panahon si Coach Tim para mailatag yung foundation. Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante, no, yung foundation of what he wants to do with Ginebra. Of course, it's no secret, triangle nga irarun ni Coach Tim, and they've had their already para orientation with Coach Jeff Carriazo.
Coach Abby, on the other end naman, as a coach that will be going against Ginebra with that triangle offense, with the master of triangle offense, ano naman yung tackle nyo moving forward?
Well, no doubt Coach Tim will do wonders for Ginebra kasi papakinggan talaga ng mga players yan si Coach Tim. You cannot question Coach Tim's success in Alaska and also in Pure Food. So, all ears and players will follow yan sa Ginebra. And sana naman, huwag masyadong successful this conference. Pero mahirap na because Coach Tim has always been successful in every team that he goes to.
Alam mo, aside from the tactics that we're all looking forward to by the start of the season, siguro ang isa rin is the pressure coming from the fans of Ginebra. How are you planning to handle that, Coach? Dahil syempre, inip na ang fans ng Ginebra for that championship.
I think anywhere you go naman kahit naman saan team, may mga fans naman yan and they always expect a championship. So, and yun nga lang, being the most popular ball club sa PBA at matagal na nga hindi nagcha-champion, it comes with the territory. And si Coach Tim, being the veteran that he is, he will not take any shortcuts para lang magkaroon ng championship kagad. Kasi, he's not going to look at this as parang winning one championship. It has to be many championships. Kailangan maging consistent. So, ang pinaka-importante dyan is the foundation na ilalatag niya. Now, if it happens in the first conference, then napakasaya ko. Pero kung hindi, hindi naman, di ba? Pero kung hindi mangyari sa first conference yan, mali mo, second, third conference. So, ang importante dyan, yung pieces na ilalagay mo na ilalatag.
Of course, the other side of this story as well is bagong head coach naman ng Star Hotshots is that man, Coach Jason Webb.
Nice.
Head coach Jason Webb. That is something that we probably did not expect siguro mga 2-3 years ago na masasabi natin at this point. But Coach Javi, as a young coach, this must be a big moment for a lot of the new coaches in the PBA.
Malaking bagay yan. One thing that Coach Jason has is the element of surprise. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano itatakbo ni Coach Jason. Sinabi na niya that he's not going to run the triangle. But we know that he's a great communicator. He will share his knowledge to the players because nakasama na natin niya sa TV5. At saka, Pure Foods is known to hire and be successful with young coaches. We're talking about Coach Eric Altamirano, saka si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Also, they became successful at a young age with Pure Foods. So, history speaking, Coach Jason will be successful.
Coach Chard, also your better half, si Jason.
Oo nga kasama natin niya sa bro show. Pero, ito nga, si Coach Jason, I mean, to be honest with you, when I talked to him, he was also surprised. He didn't expect it to come this soon. Pero yun na nga, nandiyan na, fell in slap. And I'm sure na si Coach Jason ngayon, hindi na nakakatulog. And talagang, kasi, I mean, you're talking about pressure with us. There's also pressure ngayon because ayoko naman, Jay. I mean, you're coming after Coach Tim.
Yes.
And Pure Foods is a franchise that's used to winning also. So, kailangan nga, medyo matuloy rin. Pero, syempre, ang kailangan rin for a young coach, kailangan patience rin. No? And I think, magkaroon na rin ng patience si mga fans with kung ano yung gustong. Kasi si Jason now will build the foundation of his system. And yun ang kailangan ma-realize rin ng mga fans and the players.
Ito, Coach, onting intriga lang. Of course, we know that you and Coach Jason are good friends.
Yes.
And syempre, mas matagal ka sa Pure Foods.
Yes.
Nung dinala ka sa Ginebra, wala bang onting pagdadamdam? Ba't ikaw ang dinala? Hindi na lang ikaw yung nag-head coach sa Pure Foods? Yun yung mga syempre, those are the obvious questions dahil nga, mas kilala mo kung tutuusin ang mga tao sa Pure Foods.
Well, I've been asked that, no? Tapos sabi ko nga sa kanila, hindi naman automatic porque ako yung pinakamatagal doon. Even, for example, sa military organization, hindi naman yung second magiging chief of staff pagka nag-retire na yung chief of staff. So it doesn't follow.
Yes.
And for me, it's a great opportunity. For me, napakaraming coaches who would die or who would kill to be in my shoes.
Yes.
Dahil you're learning from the best, from Coach Tim. And if he tells you na, hoy, sumama ka sa akin dito, sino ba naman ako para, pero mo tatanggihan mo yung pinaka-successful na coach sa liga natin, and it's opportunity for me to learn and to parang broaden my knowledge as a young coach.
Wow! You got Fresco!
Kasi sila lang ang tinatawag yung young.
All right, we have, this is of course going to be a story that will develop across the next couple weeks. At syempre, lahat ng mga bagong balita na yan and updates mapapanood nyo dito sa Sports 360. We'll cut to a break. More when we return.
Lang po aking sintay.